Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic sunroof. We'll cover common issues like a stuck sunroof, leaks, or unusual noises. You'll learn how to diagnose the problem and what tools you might need to get started. Our goal is to help you restore your sunroof's smooth operation and prevent future issues, saving you time and money. Let's dive into the details and get your sunroof working perfectly again. First, let's pinpoint the problem. If your sunroof isn't moving, check for power to the motor and inspect the tracks for any visible debris or obstructions. Sometimes, a clicking sound indicates a motor issue or a dislodged component. You can also try a simple control unit reset, which often resolves minor electrical glitches. This initial diagnosis helps determine if the issue is electrical, mechanical, or simply a blockage. For mechanical fixes, begin by thoroughly cleaning the sunroof tracks. Then, apply a suitable lubricant like silicone grease for rubber or white lithium grease for metal to ensure smooth movement. If the motor is clicking but not moving the sunroof, it might need replacement. Sometimes, a dislodged plate on the track can be clipped back into place. For persistent electrical problems, consulting a professional technician is often the best course of action. Sunroofs are designed to drain water, so clogs can cause leaks. Locate the 4 drain holes, one in each corner of the sunroof assembly. You can clear them using low-pressure compressed air, around 30 psi, or a soft, flexible wire like trimmer line. Regularly checking and cleaning these drains is crucial to prevent water from entering your car's interior and causing damage. Consistent maintenance will keep your sunroof functioning flawlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.